Hi, my name is Christian. We're here at the LAWO booth in Hall 5 at ISE 2025, and I'm standing next to the home orchestration and management software interface, which is basically a browser-based application to manage and orchestrate your devices, your network, and yeah, let me show you a couple of things. So first of all, this is a list of all the devices we have here in our demo system. For example, if you click on one, you can see this is a small microphone, 8 microphone in, 4 line out device from us. You can see a couple of parameters here. You can manage and orchestrate the network parameters of it, IP addresses, where it's connected to, management, streaming. Then you can also create your network senders and receivers. So this is basically where you manage and orchestrate that. You have access to the internal routing of the device. So within the device, there is the ability to route inputs and outputs internally. That can also be done from here. And then, as you can see, this is a larger list. So when we click on, for example, a .edge blade, this is an SDI IP gateway. It's a video device, and it has the exact same structure here. So again, you access the network settings, you create senders and receivers for the network. Then internal routing can be accessed from here. And then, because it's a dedicated SDI device, we have a couple of specific parameters which you can control here as well, and then some further advanced options. So it's a pretty generic approach, and depending on what device you really have, you have different options here. With all the devices, you are then able to look at the streaming, which is basically the stream routing of all your devices in the network. And then, of course, you have additional functionality which goes beyond that. Snapshot functionality, health and telemetry data can be accessed from here. You can manage your licenses, basically what you have in your system as either perpetual or as subscription-based license, so-called credits, which is that tab here. So yeah, it's basically your orchestration and management software. It's not a user interface, but it's meant for orchestrating and managing from an engineering point of view your environment. What you can also do, and this is pretty interesting here, we have a little button here that's called New App. And what we have launched last year for video and also for audio very recently is the ability to run processing, either video processing or audio processing, on standard commercial off-the-shelf server, COTS server architecture in CPU and GPU, completely cloud-native technology, running in microservices and containers. So this is basically cloud-native technology, and we can run processing, for example, for our MC² mixing console. So that's basically the backend, the processing for our large MC² production consoles. If you don't know anything about MC² consoles, check out, there is another video on Rage where we talk about that. Yeah, and this is basically our latest edition. It's an ecosystem, it's an environment, and we're managing devices, we're routing in the network, we're creating processing apps that can be used on the fly, on demand. It's a very new approach, it's a very agile technology. We're pretty happy to show you this. If you want to learn more about this, either visit us here or check out our website, lawo.com, and look for home apps. Thank you very much.